Hello boys and girls, today is Friday, January 26, 2018, 15:40 in the afternoon, 63 degrees, but cloudy. Oh well, alright, let me calm down. Well, I'm talking to you here, and I'm here with I'm talking on what is this, the tune end of this boombox here, and let me walk over here and talk onto the, what do you call it, the other end of the boombox here, right? And of course if we take it here and we flip it to radio. We tune the radio.
He's got a history of
Let me take back to tape because I don't want to sell that music, and so I was started this recording at about wherever. So let's see here. Let me rewind it. Okay. There. Alright, so now let me hit play. See here, so yeah, that was when I was just setting up the camera. Hello boys and girls, today is Friday, January 26, 2018. 15:40 in the afternoon, 63 degrees, but cloudy. Oh well. All right, let me put the phone down. Well, I'm talking to you here. I'm here with I'm talking on the what is this? The tune end of this boombox here. Like the post office here. Let me walk over here and talk onto the what do you call it? The other end of the boombox here, right? And of course, if we take it here and we flip it to
He's got a history of
So anyway, just wanted to make that quick little video here that I'm sipping off this box, which is another different boom box that I've sold. Thank you very much, kind sir. I'm just saying that I'm here at the post office like I am every so often, shipping off a radio. I have lots of radios for sale. This one here is not for sale, although you may ask. I'll advertise it when I do have it for sale, but right now it's not. It's a conversation piece. Alright, it does work perfectly, as I have recently rebuilt it to where it is working perfectly. Okay, and the antenna, the only thing wrong about this unit is the antennas. While I got them from another radio, they are not original to this, so they don't exactly latch right. But aside from that, this thing is perfect, works everything. Good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. I gotta go mail this off, like I told the gentleman earlier this morning. Bye-bye, hope you enjoyed.